The Pulse is a continuation of a story that we tried to create with the Aparia, which was a collaboration with the local design community to create more architecturally significant products.
As a designer and an architect, I'm really excited about the Pulse. I think it's going to give designers more options, more latitude in designing the interiors.
The shape of the Pulse is something that came from this collaboration with our design community and the designer specifically, and it had to do with the rhythm of the ocean. We wanted something that expressed where we're at and part of our ethos as a company.
I wouldn't say that the design of the Pulse was a direct lift from the surfboard, but it certainly had some influence in it, and these sort of smooth wave-like shapes was really reflective of the ocean and the kind of lifestyle we have here in Southern California.
The designers came at it from a what could be approach, and our engineers were really challenged to keep the essence of that and yet come up with something that was manufacturable, feasible, cost efficient. So I think this process at the end has produced for us a much more significant product.
The Pulse fixture is made differently than other fixtures by Prudential because it gets away from what Prudential is known for. And so in this case we're using some different materials, extruded aluminum and injection molded plastic. The combined effect when they're arranged with this design is a very stunning kind of pulsing effect.
We really wanted to lift the idea of the fluorescent fixture up into a sort of a new level, and so when we approached the design, we really tried to make the light more like a lantern and less like the typical fluorescent light.
The Pulse was designed really to give relief to the traditional rectilinear kind of spaces, and so this sinuous, kind of curvaceous look to it visually provides movement, provides relief, and gives a nice offset to really square boxes.
The great thing about the Pulse is it's right off the shelf. You can put it in and you can start taking a long linear hallway or a office pool that has many cubicles in it, and you can start to transform it into something much more elegant, much more fluid.
The Pulse really fits into just a wide variety of spaces, from boardrooms to board shops, from classrooms to conference rooms. The beauty really lies in its design. It's simple and yet timeless.
I think Prudential has really gotten this product. They have really gotten the idea that Southern California has a lifestyle and it is really conducive to energy and productivity and health. And I really believe that their advertising has reflected this in the most positive fashion.
The implication of design and our overall expectation of design has been raised, and that's going to affect every product that we make from here on out.
You know, Prudential is a company that's quite different from other companies that I've worked for. They're a family-owned business and family-run business, and they tend to treat you like family when you come and work for them.